Hi everybody. In this video, I just want to thank all my subscribers, everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I had told you guys in a previous video I was going to give some free assets, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a link below of my GitHub. If we go over here to my GitHub, there's assets over here. I'm giving some images away. It's just some random images. As you can see, there's like a cup, championship cup. These are all 2D images, PNGs. So there's a little shark. There's an enemy sprite. There's some fishes. An octopus. Squid. There's sound icons. This is just a thank you for everybody who has subscribed. Up arrow, sound icon, and also, like I said, there's scripts. So some codes. Well, it's actually just one code for now. I'm gonna be adding codes as I go. I actually have to go to work in 30 minutes, so I just want to keep it short. I put this together real quick. So there's this enemy code, and here's the code right here. I'm going to show you how this works real quick. So if you go to your assets, and first of all, if we go over here, you could either, where is it? Yeah, I'm not sure how you would be able to do this to download it. You could copy and paste it though. So you could come over here, go to wherever you have your scripts. I have a script right here called enemy. This is a different script. Or it might be the same one. So let's double click this, or let's actually add a game object, create an empty game object, add the script to the game object, and when you add the script, it will add a sprite renderer automatically. So you could add your sprite. Let's add this wolf over here, and this wolf I got from the Unity asset store. It's called a 2D platformer character. It's right here. So I'll leave a link down below so you guys could kind of check it out and download it if you guys want it. But yeah, that's pretty much the script. If I double click it so you guys can see it, and it's gonna load in Visual Studios. Hopefully it don't take too long. I just had it open, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, now it's opening. I'm gonna shrink this down. Gonna want you guys to see that this is the same script. It's taking forever. Bad news. Well, I have to actually wait. I was gonna tell you, I'll show you how the script works. Well, there you go. It should be good now, hopefully. This is not it. I don't know where this came from. Go to assets, enemy script. Okay, so this is the code. As you can see, right here we got the required type of sprite renderer. Like it says right here, I got comments to let you know what everything does. And make sure to add a sprite renderer to the game object if none. Does not allow this script to be on a game object more than once. So you can see all the stuff that each thing does, each line of code does. So current health equals max health, sets current health to be equal to the max health. Gets the sprite render component. This function right here is the function you'll call to take damage. So to damage your player. So if you have a bullet or something, once it collides with your player, you could call this function, and it'll take the damage. It'll start the quarantine. The quarantine that damages. It says damage color. I should have put a damage player or something like that, but damage color. It will set this quarantine. It will set the sprite render equal to the damage color. So this damage color is this one right here. Right now we have it at black. So we'll set it to red, and we'll make it non-transparent. So increase the opacity, and then after that, you could set the max health. You don't have to worry about the current health. I just have this for test purposes, so you guys could kind of see that you're actually taking damage. And then after this is the second damage. So how long you want this red color to show for. So I'm gonna put something like 0.2. And then for this to work, since I'm not calling this function anywhere, I'm gonna call it when we click on the character. So I'm gonna put on mouse down. This part won't be on the script, so if you guys want to add it, you guys can add it yourself. So I'm just gonna put take damage, and then I'm gonna enter the amount of damage I want to take, which will be 10. So that's all you have to do. So if you have a bullet and you want to put on collision enter, or yeah, on collision enter or on trigger enter, you could just call this function whenever it hits a collider or a trigger. And then after that, I'll hit play, and I'll show you what it does. So play, and then when you click them, oh, so for on mouse down to work, so for this function on mouse down to work, we have to actually have a collider on the game object. So I'm just going to add a quick box collider 2D just to show you a quick example. But like for this wolf, I'll probably add a polygon collider, especially if it's going to be my main character, and there's not going to be a lot of polygon colliders in the scene. So now I'm going to hit play, and now when I click it, it should work. So as you can see, it turns that reddish color, and then you can see current health is 30 now, and you could change it in color you want. Now you can see, and once it hits 0, he disappears, as you can see. So yeah, this is just to get you started. You of course could add whatever you want to this, anything you want to the script, customize it the way you want. This is just to make quick um, a quick enemy game object. Also, I was gonna put a find player game object, so this this enemy would locate the player and go towards the player, but I decided not to, just in case some of you guys had projects where you had enemies that were actually just static, that didn't move, that were just on the screen that you had to click on. So I just left it like that. So hopefully this is useful for you. And once again, thank you guys, the subscribers. For my 50th subscriber, I'm also gonna add some more assets, better assets, probably some particles. I'm gonna start working on them as soon as possible. I didn't think I was gonna get 10 subscribers this quick, so this kind of caught me by surprise. I actually had to start a GitHub yesterday because I didn't even have a GitHub. So thank you once again. If you guys have any questions of anything Unity related or game dev related, let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Just let me know in the comments below. If you have these warnings right here, so these warnings where it says the default value is 0, max health is 0, all you have to do, and that's if you want to do it, those warnings don't really mean anything, is just set it to null. Or actually, you have to actually set it to something. So like for here, you could set this one to 100. This is, like I said, you don't have to do it. This is just warnings that, so you know that nothing, or what's it called? So you know that it's never assigned to anything. So right here we get a warning that you can't assign that to null. Okay, so if we go over here, we have to actually assign it to a color. So color dot red, and that will work. And then the same with here. But like I said, you don't have to do it. It won't break anything. And if you wait, we can see that everything's gone. So you could do this. You don't have to. It's just so you don't get no warnings. But yeah, once again, thank you. And if you guys want to see more, if you guys are new and you guys are seeing this video, feel free to download this asset. Subscribe so you guys find out when I put out more assets, more videos. Thank you once again.